stay inside. Stay inside. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna be vlogging and I'm not gonna be editing this vlog. We're gonna do a run through and it's gonna be all natural. No makeup, haven't done my hair, and we've just moved into our new apartment. So instead of doing an organized apartment tour this week, I'm gonna do a realistic, unorganized apartment tour, starting with the terrace. So, still gotta make quite a few changes here, but we've got some beautiful plants. These orchids were actually from my great-grandmother and we've had them and repotted them for generations. My sister used to have these and now we're looking after them while she is in London. Got a few other really nice plants here. I think this is a lime tree and that is some rosemary. Little water dish for the pigeons. And this is Winston's water dish. So let's see if he's waiting for us at the front door. Hi Winston! Hello! Okay, stay inside. Stay inside. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. So we just Adam and I adopted Winston from a shelter in Campbellfield, Second Chance Animal Rescue, 5 days ago. He's our little fur baby, and the floors are quite dirty because we have to toilet train him at the moment, so he goes up and down the stairs like 10 times a day. So I still need to mop the floors, but I'm not going to do it today because we're just going to deal with the fact that we're all perfectly imperfect and we're human and mess happens. So let me show you the main room first. Okay, Winston, should we show them the main room? There's meant to be a rug here, which is now there because it looks like very inviting white fluffy grass for dogs. Then we've got our couches, beautiful painting. Winston, this is your lovely playpen over here. This is his teddy, favorite of his, already chewing the ears. And this is your other favorite toy, isn't it? And you like the footy. Toilet training is coming along-ish with our little fake grass mat, isn't it, Bubba? Yes. Then we've got our dining table area. So I want to hang this piece here on the wall. We actually found it on the side of a road and painted it white. It opens up as a mirror, and I honestly think something like this would be maybe like $400 or $500 in a store, but not for us. It was free. Then kitchen. This is where we keep a lot of Winston's like treats, and this is a little dish I use to make warm salty water to clean his eyes. Really not looking too fancy today. Hi Bubba, you like the cold floor. Alright, study. This room's coming along nicely though. Got our little meditation corner, indoor house plants. Got a mirror here, I don't know where to put it, but Winston barks when he sees his reflection. This is my desk. Babe, do you want to be in my vlog? I'll film you from the back, you know, you'll say hi. Alright, come on Winston, come on. Got bathroom over here. I've got Winston's little potty pee mat because if he doesn't go outside or you forget to take him on the hour, then he's pretty good and he goes over here. This is our nice thing that we use to clean his pee when he pees on the floor accidentally. Don't you? I know it's not your fault, you're only 15 weeks, you can't help it. And let's go to the next room. Oh, another indoor house plant. Very, very happy. This was the most exciting part about moving. We actually had a lady fill up her van with indoor houseplants because she has an amazing store in St Kilda, and she comes to your place, susses out all of the spots you want to put the plants in, and then makes suggestions and brings them upstairs. She's amazing. Her name's Mish, and best job ever. Well, besides mine, because I like my job too. Bedroom. Messy bed, because I haven't made it today. Again, this is just a really real, honest kind of vlog because not every day does our house look perfect, and I don't want to give people the impression that that's how you should have to live your life. So, quick room tour. Got the bed. This is our runner for the corridor, but again, Winston might pee on it. Winnie, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is where I keep all my spare clothes. Hello, sweet. Then we've got more houseplants here. Washing basket. Lovely view outside. And that's all the rooms in this apartment. So I'm actually going to film one other vlog today because my best friend Lance is coming over and we're making vision boards. And given the theme of this video, I'm sure you can understand that some of the things I want to be putting on my board is just to be less of a perfectionist, because I have been feeling really actually overwhelmed this week since we got Winston. I think that the whole pressure I put on myself to be like a perfect dog mom or just perfect everything really got to me, and I don't want to keep I don't want to keep on facilitating those kind of feelings. I really want to just nip it in the bud and be open and honest with you all and set a good example. So hope you liked my disorganized apartment tour, and I will probably do a nice organized room tour and apartment tour down the track. But I also wanted to film a DIY vision board for 2019, so stay tuned for that. Click this image here for a recent video, this one for a video I think you would like. I'm totally not going to edit this vlog deliberately. I'm going to do an uncut version on Study with Jess, which I've never done before. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, but I will see you all with another video very soon. And leave a comment down below telling me one thing that you're grateful for today and anything that you want to work on or release and let go in 2019, whether you're a perfectionist, control freak, self-doubt, inner critic, whatever it is. What is one thing you really want to have that you can work on this year? Not that you want to have, but what's something you want to work on this year to just let go of and be happier? So I'm going to say bye, but Winston, say bye, Winston. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy.